Here at Auto Lush today, we're going to be using this $150 surface conditioning tool to take off this paint. Let's see how this works out. We have the masking tape because I didn't want to take off the chrome, so we're just going to test off a couple surfaces and see how this goes. So here, you just hold this down, going to start that up, and we're going to see how this goes. Now check this out, guys. Within 6 minutes, we were able to do all this. I started from here, going up and down, up and down, up and down, taking a lot and a little bit at a time. And then I came back, and in the harder ones, as you can see, there's still one little bit here, but not too crazy. But on the ones that were harder to take off, I put a little bit more pressure. Now it is hard on your shoulders, so definitely it's definitely a workout for sure. But I definitely would recommend this because I believe I'm gonna see what I can do today, guys, in 4 hours. Now this was done with a pressure washer. Also, I recommend definitely getting earplugs. I didn't try to do it in the beginning. Definitely gonna put us on ear plugs now because it was definitely hurting my ears. But we're able to do a lot. I can't wait to see what I can take off right here, because you can see that they did weld some stuff right here back in the past. At least clean this up, and we're gonna see what happens and what we are able to do in the next 4 hours with this nice 57 that we have here. Hopefully we get it painted by the end of the month. Stay tuned, guys. I had to get a chair for this bottom portion because it is a lot of work right here. You can see the bondo right here. So it's been a lot of work right now, especially on this side. So I was like, man, I'm gonna go get a chair for this. So we're gonna get at this, guys. We've been at this for about 25-30 minutes so far, and we definitely got a lot of progress, which is amazing. See how this goes some more. Now the relaxation that you get from taking off paint, I don't know what it is, but it's a lot of fun. I've been at this probably for about an hour, and as you can see, pretty much got a lot of it done. Now a lot of this needs to get like water, like wet to take a lot of this paint dust off, but I'm not really trying to take most of the Bondo off. I'm just trying to take that major paint off. But this tool is amazing because it just takes a lot of the work off, and it just takes this off, and it's gonna do, I would say, about 80% of the work for you really fast. Now we're gonna go around on this side. I'm gonna start working in the trunk. This side is not too bad as my right side, so that's why I didn't even start on this side. I did take some of the moldings off on this side, but as you can see, this is just amazing. Look at it from this side to this, how much we have gotten done already. Now I can see that this car can definitely get painted. As we saw, when I was getting down to this, I can see that some welding repair needs to get done. You can see that there's some welds right here. So we'll fix this at the shop. It's nothing too crazy. You know, everything is pretty much welded. So you can see that right there too. They did that quarter and replaced it that. So nothing, I don't see anything that would alarm me as of right now. Now, mind you, I bought this 57 about a year and 3 months ago. This project was supposed to be done long before that. We just have not had time. And now I'm gonna devote my time because I want to get rid of this car. So this car is gonna go up for sale once everything gets done. And want to sell this car and get a sports car of some kind. So hope you guys like this. Enjoy the journey with me doing this car. I'm going to keep on working on this car for another couple hours. See how we get down to this. I'm going to start on the trunk right now, do that back end, see how much I can do on that back end, and then do the trunk.